Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This stunning two-story home is on a large lot in a family-friendly neighborhood. From the beautiful vaulted wooden ceiling throughout the home, the open concept kitchen, and the living space to the large shaded backyard, there is plenty of room for the whole family to enjoy. Basement was designed with entertainment in mind. The land area of this house is 6,400 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 59.5 million or US $386.5 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.